Hello, dosto. Welcome to episode 5.
Is it five already? That's crazy.
I know I had to think twice before saying 5. आज भी सुबह आज हम चाय पी रहे हैं हम इस पॉडकास्ट को आहिस्ता आहिस्ता मॉर्निंग शो बना रहे हैं
मैं कावा पी रही हूँ because I've had chai already. So that
मैं
was
कड़क
enough
पी रही
time,
हूँ
I
एक्चुअली we're both lying
think. No, I was so thirsty. I woke up और पानी की जगह मैंने चाय पी थी and उसके बाद I was parched. I felt like dehydration वाले चक्कर आ रहे थे तो I was like maybe I shouldn't. So I'm
You
having
felt
that.
like वो जब SpongeBob बहुत डिहाइड्रेटेड होता है you were that
I love the SpongeBob movie. Don't get me started. This is gonna have to be a lot longer.
this is
मैंने
gonna be
बोलो.
नहीं मैं कहने वाली थी this is gonna be episode 6 7 8 9 और you just talking about the
Oh, we're gonna
SpongeBob
split it up. This is gonna be like Deathly Hollows. This is gonna
movie
be like Ingredient. This is gonna be और क्या था? Hunger
um
Games, Mockingjay. You're lacking.
I'm lagging actually. I need more caffeine in my system to be normal.
I'm having garam and ठंडे microplastics because I'm having like
Yum.
kava जिसके अंदर
Hmm.
tea bag है. So that's like millions. Apparently there was like a paper and they have a lot like in the tea bag वाला कुछ भी होता है that's a lot because hot water डालते हैं ना. So वो and I'm having ठंडे microplastics because I'm reusing a drinking water bottle, which you're not supposed to do, but I've been doing this for a week. So that's my diet.
Beautiful.
So,
Um, मेरा ये आई थिंक ये कप जो है वो बीपीए कोटेड होता है तो आई थिंक मेरे अंदर भी थोड़े बहुत जा रहे होंगे बट खैर गाइस स्पूकी सीजन आ गया है और हमारा आज मंसूबा था कि हम कराची बट हॉन्टेड के दो कैरेक्टर्स की तरह ड्रेसअप हों सो कराची बट हॉन्टेड इज अ वेबटून दैट इज क्रिएटेड बाय दिस आर्टिस्ट कॉल्ड कोमल अशफाक एंड in A levels, Iza and I used to project heavily on Sabine and her vampire, unnamed vampire bestie. Iza
you
was that
suck
name.
so bad. Stop failing the Bechdel test. Name another woman. What do you mean?
I don't think does she have a name? Is she relevant? She's so relevant. I'm joking, guys. Sorry. Ukulele apology video भी आने वाली है मेरी. Um, but nahi, I love Karachi Been Haunted so much. 2 years ago, I spoke to the artist for a piece that never saw the face of the earth, never saw the light of the day. But yeah, I'm pretty sure उसको मैं याद भी नहीं होंगी. But she was really cool. और वो बस it's so woman. It's so woman.
No, it is. Because I've only seen like the one, maybe two male characters ever. It's mostly
और
just the
जफर
two
बहुत
of
बड़ा
them.
हिम्बो है which I like.
है ना? Like they tried to do like a Ken situation. That was
They
before
need
Barbie
to
came out.
they need to do that in person also.
Are
Like
you
हमने
saying they should make it live action?
no,
I'd hate that.
I'm saying real life people should be like that because you and I felt very represented by Sabine and the vampire bestie, but we have never ever met a man who is like Zafar.
Yeah, you know the whole man written by a woman trope because this is literally a man
This
written
is
by a woman.
actually that, yeah.
Well, it says a lot in a lot of the media that we consume. Just with the screenwriters, authors are all men. I've never felt portrayed as a woman because
Yeah.
like the three-dimensionality aspect jo hai, that I see in a lot of my female friends. Like that's never really captured on screen when it's like a man writing. You can tell when a man
You can
produced
tell.
या wrote an
Queen's
episode.
Gambit.
Bro, right? Like
I
you
felt
can
so
tell.
bad. Like there was so much potential, but then yeah,
And the thing is, ki just watching that, I had a very specific idea of the kind of person who came up with that.
yeah.
You
Me
know?
too. No, it's like it's not even I don't even think there's an attempt to conceal that or hide that. It's very obvious.
What standard hai? Why would they hide it? Like I can
And it
envision what that
works.
person was like in their 20s. That's how bad it is. I've
What
met
frat they
people.
were in.
Yeah, exactly. Like you can tell. Ke, हाँ, okay.
Phi
That
Kappa
guy.
Alta Shelta में होगा.
Yeah. I
Hmm.
don't know. मैंने वैसे इतने ड्रामे नहीं देखे. I think because I was thinking of the Pakistani media, but I like think of a character that you felt represented by.
Woman.
हाँ, पाकिस्तानी मीडिया में. like
यार
other than Sabine, like mainstream.
पाकिस्तानी मीडिया में like चुड़ैल्स वगैरह में they were like I could see
Wait,
glimpses of myself in some of the
was it
characters.
Churales not allowed to air? Like, wasn't
That's
that a
what
thing?
लेकिन बनाया तो हमने था ना तो
Mainstream में मगर क्या है अभी for like the average person to
yeah,
see?
I don't think I ever have truly felt represented. I think I felt like a caricature of myself feel represented in villains like Sarah from Humsafar, who also happens to be my namesake. Like I was like, यार ये बंदी ठीक है, I get her. But like also she's like a rich
The
girl
villain वो क्या स्लीवलेस पहनती थी मैंने हमसफर नहीं देखा हुआ
और इंग्लिश भी बोलती थी.
ओह
I wrote a paper about this in school, the Madonna whore complex in
oh my god I remember you telling me ये uni में I think you told me that you were writing a paper.
in like freshman year, bro. I was like 19 when I wrote that.
Any single time you used the Madonna whore complex in a sentence, you felt the need to text me about it. So I have like
Yes.
a vague recollection.
And I think every time I've even thought about the Madonna horror complex, even if I haven't used the word in our conversations, I've talked to you about it, be it through sentences like man-centering or performing femininity or any of those variations.
Segment.
Segment, yes, search
We're
history.
structured now.
I don't think मैंने
Do you
कुछ
want to go
interesting
first?
search किया है.
Let's see.
Sure. मैंने बहुत सारी काम रिलेटेड चीजें सर्च की हैं जो बिल्कुल भी इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है. I looked up Barbie Ferreira because yesterday I was watching the Victoria's Secret fashion show.
Like
So
2010s वाला या जो अभी apparently
अभी
फिर
अभी
से
कल वाला. Honestly, that's literally the only thing. I'm sorry, wait, I feel the need to overcompensate. I'm gonna look at my YouTube search history because I have nothing in my Google search history worth talking about. YouTube search history में Victoria's
मेरे
Secret
पास
fashion
भी
show.
नहीं है but that's cheating.
पर अब मैं क्या
So
करूं. उसके बाद मैंने सर्च किया लाजवाल इश्क यूट्यूब पे. फिर मैंने सर्च किया डैन एंड फिल ऑफ कोर्स. फिर मैंने सर्च किया
wait,
मिस्टर रेजर किड कड़ी कवर बिकॉज आई डिस्कवर्ड दिस रियली fun low quality cover of the song on YouTube. It showed up to my recommended page, and then I was like, I will send the link to everybody, and I looked it up quickly on my phone.
मेरे
um
भी recommended पे आया था.
get your own algorithm, get your own bricks.
Bro, that's crazy. I didn't click
Yeah.
on it though, so
इसके अलावा मैंने ये भी सर्च किया हुआ है कार सीट हेडरेस्ट का स्टॉप स्मोकिंग वी लव यू क्योंकि मुझे किसी को भेजना था. इससे ज्यादा एंटरटेनमेंट मेरे फोन से नहीं मिलेगी तुम लोगों को. सॉरी.
my search history was also really boring.
We need to
Let's see.
get more interesting because now we
I
have
have
an
got to get
audience.
more interesting.
I have got to get
मगर
weirder.
यार अच्छा okay, it was like I do have a search history. It just wasn't fun. I'm sorry. This is gonna be a bit of a downer. Uh, so we had a shadi to attend last weekend, right? And I usually do my mom's makeup when she goes to like a fancy place, but she was out of foundation. So I was like
हम्म.
कि चलो ठीक है नहीं होगी तो मैं मंगवा लेती
DIY
हूँ. So
फाउंडेशन नो बोरैक्स नो ग्लू सर्च किया तुमने.
slime. But no, I ordered it like well in advance. But then like I live in Islamabad, so all the roads were blocked. So it couldn't get here in time. So we had to end up like cutting the tube up and like holding it down ताकि सूख नहीं जाए. But I didn't actually get to it, but it did, and turns out उसके अंदर था. So I'm happy about that.
I am so
मगर
happy.
it's the tipping points report that I was telling you about yesterday
Yeah.
with the coral reefs. So you know, like a lot of the headlines that I've seen about this, it's a lot of doomerism. Okay, oh, we're done. It's so over for the coral reefs. And एक comment जो मुझे अच्छा लगा था इस बारे में, it was someone saying, "Okay, listen, some species might be able to persevere 2 degrees में, but
Mhm.
don't like spread the message that oh it's so over because here people are just gonna assume that there's nothing you can do, and then that's the
Yeah.
climate doomerism का
Do you
negative. You're
know
just gonna become apathetic.
do you know about the Republican roots of defeatist climate reporting, ये doomerism?
समझाओ, is it like
I
this?
I think
Formally, none of this I've studied.
this was during one of the Bush eras or something, where reporters were obviously using words like global warming, which was like freaking people out. And global warming sort of implies carbon emissions and the petrol industry. And then there was a lobbyist for the Republicans who released a memo for them that was like, ऐसे global warming type loves नहीं इस्तेमाल करो, climate change इस्तेमाल करो. And then climate change, like the words come with a feeling of inevitability कि ये तो हो रहा है, मतलब, nobody is to blame. And उसके बाद से that influenced climate reporting so much, and that's why a lot of the reporting we even see now is so like defeatist and like, मतलब अब तो हो रहा है, who is to blame? And the lobbyists ended up taking it back many years later, being like, I was wrong. So like I think about this a lot. Okay, just the word climate change in media and reporting comes from this because it replaced words like global warming, because global warming implies it's someone's fault.
I didn't know that like at all, which is crazy because that's my whole degree.
पेपर भेजूंगा.
Please bhejo. That's very cool. And it sucks काफी
Yeah.
ज़्यादा. I have NATO phonetic alphabet search history में
What
because I
does
was
that
trying to do the
mean?
connections one day. It's the वो Alpha Bravo Charlie.
Ah,
It's that. But yeah, remuneration because turns out remuneration नहीं होता, it's remuneration.
what? Bro, that's
Yeah, it's
Mandela
actually
effect.
common misspelling because you think remunerate.
Remuneration?
Yeah,
That
that's so
don't
I
even
hated
sound
that
right.
so much. It doesn't sound
I
right.
don't like that
I
you
like,
told me this सुबह सुबह बता दिया.
can you look it up, please? Because I did, and the first thing is
I
that it's
don't
a
like
common
you,
misspelling.
Iza.
The remuneration, I was like, no, 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 no. It has to be numbers
ना
to
करो
enumerate. Like that makes
Iza.
sense. It's not.
Remune. Don't do this to me.
I've used enumerate so many times.
So weird. That's really
I've
weird.
used it so many times. So that's
मूड
embarrassing.
खराब कर दिया यार.
Then I have Charlie and Lola and Bluey TV series Wikipedia search because I was watching a lot of Bluey episodes.
Do you watch Charlie and Lola also? I love Charlie and Lola.
Yeah, huh? It was so nice. And
I
like if
love
you
it.
compare that with like Cocomelon with like the bright colors and the everything happening at once, it's so
Mm.
different, kids. And I think yeah, how was your week?
It was good. It was like calm was okay. Somewhat interesting even. And then I did some socializing. It was honestly pretty standard week. कुछ इतना अच्छा भी नहीं हुआ लेकिन कुछ इतना बुरा भी नहीं हुआ, तो can't complain. What about you?
It was pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie.
Iza looked so slay on the shadi, by the way. She was wearing this lit fest auntie style cotton sari. It was so nice. We're gonna gatekeep from you guys
Ah,
because only I get to see it.
you're so tote bag Jhumka Frere Hall queen. You're so
Yeah.
Arundhati Roy.
Redacted, don't watch this episode.
Sarah, if you want like a idea for how bad my week was, it's like the parcel tracking ke bar like being like acha where's the parcel, being like oh acha sorry I forgot everything's banned, followed by so मैंने सिर्फ OA levels पढ़ा है, right? And O levels के अंदर we don't have history or geography, we have Pak studies, so like Pakistan history and
तो ये
Pakistan
levels पढ़ा
geography.
है.
हाँ, like so I don't know world history. Like I
Ah,
only know of history and geography from the context of Pakistan. I only know
right.
World War II vis-a-vis हमारे jute exports, like you know.
Right, right, right.
But I was never like, and the thing is कि because I was so interested in school, I know for a fact कि ये कभी पढ़ाया नहीं था because I would have
Mhm.
known, and like I don't. So अगर मुझे नहीं पता तो I'm pretty sure it wasn't a part of our syllabus. Like every other country was like one chapter in the third section of our history book is what I remember. So with recent events, जब भी कुछ होता है, because I don't really know about anything, because उसके बाद भी post A levels भी because मैंने engineering की, तो my brain never really developed. right? So because I'm still stunted, I have
This
to
is
look up a
this
lot.
is this is the smartest, most knowledgeable person I know saying this, by the way.
And I don't know history. I don't like I'm so stupid, bro. And even यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर उन्होंने हमें पाक स्टडीज पढ़ाई है. मैंने पाक
That's pretty
स्टडीज में स्टडी किया,
funny.
यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ी थी सारा. Instead of like what was the Second World War for real? Like instead of doing that, they were like
They're
more
so
पाक
funny for
studies.
that. They're so funny for that. Decolonize कर दो इतना ज्यादा कि सिर्फ पाकिस्तान, सिर्फ सबकॉन्टिनेंट की हिस्ट्री पढ़ेंगे.
Yeah, thinking back,
पाकिस्तान
what was
फ्रेंडली
that?
कंट्री.
I've looked up 1989 Tiananmen Square protests and massacre in the context because I was like, I know of it like broadly, but because हमने कभी इस तरह पढ़ा नहीं था and because इस तरह की चीज explicitly I don't think हमें पढ़ा भी सकते हैं, तो I had to look it up. And you know the whole
अरे
verb how you
पढ़ाते
learn
हैं.
from
You should have
history.
taken you should have taken world history in Nixer. We did study all of this.
I know you did, but I because world history देखो like that would have mattered if it was like a core subject, you know,
Yeah,
just like English, Urdu in O levels, because
yeah,
that's something you have to opt into, and that's
that
like
is
एक तो A
true.
levels already इतना privilege है, getting to do
Yeah.
world history is already
और
like so
वर्ल्ड
few
हिस्ट्री सारे
people.
वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री इज a rich kids subject,
Yeah,
if you think about it.
like yeah, like because I again know none of this. So imagine if you didn't know world history. I'm pretty sure everything you know about the world comes from that. So
Yeah.
think of how little I know. Like how empty is my brain. Like I can't point to any
You
country
know
on a
other
map.
things though. You know technical stuff. I think maybe we should give them like a 7 minute episode for a change.
Or maybe we can break this down into
I
two
hate you.
7 minutes.
Like Deathly Hallows Part 2. Wow, full circle. We're so art imitates art.
है ना?
Huh.
Comedy in threes. We're so
Okay. Allah Hafiz, friends.
Allah Hafiz.